Hello guys, this is Frank the Anointed FS Academy, and this is our Elliott Wave weekly analysis. Advanced Elliott Wave weekly outlook on every currency pairs and metals, indices, cryptocurrencies, and some stocks if there may be, the rest of them. Okay, this is disclaimer, guys. That this channel is for educational purposes, and all this video, presentation, and writing are only for educational purposes and not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your risk after consulting your financial advisors. So, guys, it is better to know that trading is a very risky business, and you must have to be equipped with risk management skills for you to be able to navigate the market. Okay, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please click the subscription button and click the bell icon so you get our video whenever we post them weekly, and other videos we have may post from now on. So we also have VIPs. We also have trading courses, which has been recorded already, which we have the power to equip you with basic skills to analyze the market so well. So I will indulge you if you want to learn how to analyze market using Elliott Wave. Click the click the link on the description of this video and join our Telegram channel. From there, you'll get in contact with me or my number in description. You can get in contact with me through WhatsApp, and then we proceed from there. So, guys, let's not waste time here. I don't want the video to be not too long. I want it to be short. So this is DSY, the dollar index, the dollar index, and looking at this dollar index, you can see it's already broken this level. This level has been broken. See, it broke the level and it came back to test the level. You can see it coming back. It broke this level and it came back to test it. This is wave 2. So I'm expecting wave 3 down and wave 4 inside here and wave 5. It's going to be like an ending diagonal. If you are my student, you would have known the ending diagonal. I taught the lesson 6 and lesson 5 talking about, no, lesson 6 talking about ending diagonal. This is going to give us an ending diagonal that prove that this whole bearish movement, bearish trend is coming to an end. And what you may see at the ending diagonal is a breakout from here, a correction again, and another up. So that is what you see. But expect this ending diagonal. So what am I going to do next week? What am I expecting to trade? I'm expecting to sell this dollar. I'm expecting to come up a little bit to this level. And then I will sell it down to this very place. At least here we'll take profit 1. This level will take profit 1. And then take profit 2 and 3. So that is what I'm expected to do on dollar index. That is all, guys, for dollar index. Euro US dollar. Of course, I always told you guys that Euro US dollar is an inverse of the line. The same thing happened there. The same procedure. You can see the breakout. Can you see that? And you can look at this candlestick. Look at this daily candlestick. Look at this daily candlestick. Can you see the daily candlestick? What that tells you? It's an up move. So I will be buying it by next week. This is wave 1. This is 2. And I'm going to see 3 at the top of here. And then 4 and 5 and the rest of them. So as we proceed, everything will be labeled on our Telegram channel. I think you have understand my position on Euro US dollar. That is all, guys, for this pair. Okay, this is Great Britain. Great Britain US dollar. Great Britain US dollar. So looking at it nice now, I expected it to move up again because we go down to the one time frame. There's so many things expected to do. This is another block that came to stop it. and I expect it to move to break this level again. They move up here and give us a correction and then up again. I think this this wave has not ended. This may be a wave one. This is a wave two, and the wave three is coming. So I expected a diagonal. A diagonal will tell me, an ending diagonal will tell me that the market is over. You will see something like this. This is an ending diagonal. Let me show you guys what an ending diagonal look like. You come up again, drop again, come up again, then drop again like this. This now is the ending diagonal. See it. That is what, if these things become like this, then you know that this trend, this whole bullish trend, this whole bullish trend is going to correct towards here. So that is what I am expecting. So there's no ending diagonal yet. So there's no, I will not be selling. I'll continue to buy until I discover an ending diagonal. Okay, this is Australian dollar, US dollar. Well, I expected this pair to come deeply to this level. I want it to come deeply to this level before I can get it a buy. But looking at it, it seems not to be the case. Uh, this is not to be the case. What we may see is two possible things: a drop to here and boom, or from here up. That is what I expected in this pair. The correction I expected to be deep, but the correction I choose not to be deep. And you know that the market has the final say in trading. The market has the final say in trading. Market has the final say in trading business. So here will be my targets. As my target, this is my target, 66. So expect it to come up and then drop. So that is, yeah, I will be looking at it to reverse. So right now I will think of buying it. Yeah, even though the corrections look like a running flat. See, it look like a running flat correction. It's like a running flat correction. So the lower time frame will be shared in Telegram channel. So join our Telegram channel. You will find what is going on there. Okay, this is US dollar Japanese yen. Of course, US dollar Japanese yen pick some order from this level, pick some order for this level, and then fire up, breaking this place and moving up. So what am I expecting in this pair? Two possible things. Number one is coming up here, this very level, coming up to this very level, and then drop below, drop here again. From here, boom. That is what I expected. Number two expectation on this very pair is coming up here again, and then drop to here, breaking this low, and breaking this low, coming to this other block that is here. Pick some order and then boom. So that is two possibilities. You understand? Either stop here and pick up, or break the low, come to this one and pick up. So there are two possibilities. So I'll be watching it. I will not jump in. I'll be watching it when it come here. If you come here, I watch it. If I see a buy setup, I buy. But if I didn't see, I'll allow you to break here. If I see a buy setup here, I will buy. So guys, if you want to know when I will buy it and when I will trade it, you have to join our VIP group. So thank you guys for this. That is all for the Japanese yen. Canada Japanese yen. Canada Japanese yen. Of course, this is my target in Canada Japanese yen. And looking at it, you can see the showing some muscles. And the market came to this other block, reverse, and it came again here, come up against what I were expecting. I must say market to reverse again, give me some correction, If possible, you were going to take away this low. And came here, pick some order, boom, what I expected. And don't be surprised if you see that another expectation is that it may decided to move from here, break this up, and then do some correction, boom. So that is two possibilities, and that is what we expect in the Canada Japanese yen. Okay, this is US dollar Swiss francs, US dollar Swiss francs. So what am I expecting in US dollar Swiss francs? Looking at this candlestick, look at this daily candlestick. Can you see that? It's a very powerful rejection bar, and it break these levels, touch the other block, and pull down. So what am I expecting? I won't trade it. What I will do is if I wait for it to break this level, the market to break this level, then gives me a correction. Then I can buy and sell it down. But if the market come up a little bit here or break this level from here, gives me a correction. Buy. So any which one. So, but I'm not buying it. I see it as a sell market. Looking at it, it has completed an A, B, C correction. It came to this very point. I think it's trying to do a correction A, B, and C. So the possibility that the trade may come up again, take this high before drop, or it will come up in the between and drop, or it will break here, give you a correction and drop. So any which one. I may not trade this pair because the pair has some issues. I don't like the way it moves. I don't trade every pair. I only trade the one I like the way it moves, like Japanese yen. Okay, this is Canada, Swiss francs. Canada, Swiss francs. Looking at it, it looks like a corrective pair. You can see that the market has been standstill on this very place. It's ranging there. So what did I really expect? I expected the market to come up, take away this level, touch here, and then drop. That is what I expected in this market. For it to come up here and take away this level and then drop. That's what I expected in Canada shifts. But if he did not do that, if he break this level and gives me a correction, then I sell down. So that is my position in Canada. Yeah, Canada Swiss francs. Okay. If you have been following this, my analysis, you know the time I made profit from this place. For the last 2 weeks, I've been expecting it to move from here up, but it came down bit deeper, clearing all these liquidities, which is very good before I now pick order. Looking at it, what am I going to do? You can see that I mark that very place that it came. So what am I going to do? I'm going to buy it up to this very place. You're going to take away this level, then come up here. From here, I'll start looking for sell opportunity. But as a trader, when you just look at all these movements, look at all this movement, what do you think? It's a corrective movement. It means that the main bias of this pair is sell. So all these movements have to complete the correction here, and then boom, that is what I am expecting from this pair. So what I will buy in it, making profit when it gets here. When it gets here, here is the main business. From there, we're going to sell it so high and so hard. So that's what I'm expecting here. So can you see that this is A, this is a B, and this is C that is coming. So I think that this is this whole thing is wave one, and this is wave two. We expect wave three, which is here, four and five. Boom. So that is what you may see in the Hilo Japanese yen. Great Britain Japanese yen. Of course, we have not been to our destination. This is our destination. Yeah, this destination has been marked for over, I think, 1 month and then now 2 months, and it's coming there gradually. And from there is where I'm going to sell it heavily. So looking at the candlestick, you can discover that this daily candlestick is a rejection bar. The second one have already come. So what am I expecting? Expecting a up move that will take away all the size and came here. That's what I'm expecting. Market may decided to come here to take away this low from here and then move up. So expect that also. So once I see a setup, a buy setup, I will continue to buy until they get to this level. Once it get to this level, my buying stops. That is how I trade. And then I start looking for sell. That is for Great Britain, Japanese yen. Okay, this is US dollar 30, the Jones dollar industrial averaging. So looking at it, you can discover that uh, it dipped to this very expected place and then it pick up again to here. So, and it coming down to correct to this very place. When this place over, it's going to come up again. If I try to buy it, if I see a buy setup by Monday, I'll buying it up to this very, to new high, this very place. This place have not been taken out. It's coming back to here and here. So that is where I'm targeting. Think it's taken out here. Okay. So our next level is this very place, $44,000. So what am I going to do? I'm going to buy it and hold it till it gets me to here. And that place. Once it get there, then I'm okay. I will sell it, then wait for correction again before another big move. I think that is all for this the Jones. NASDAQ. This is NASDAQ. NASDAQ, a move as expected. Of course, it came to this. This is not the before. Of course, it dipped to here and then break the up and correct again. So I expected it to come up again. We will look at it. It look like A, B, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that is what you expect to see in this very place. It's going to look like a diagonal. So once that is done, you will see a bigger correction that may take away this very level and came to this other block that is here. Once that happens, then another big move will come. That's what I expected in this NASDAQ. I hope you understand, guys. Everything will be analyzed down to our Telegram channel. So join Telegram channel. You will see the bigger pictures and you understand more what is going on. Okay, this is this in this. That is the German 30. So looking at it, last week Monday, it moved from here to this very point and then came down here. This is a correction. Once this correction is done, another move up will come to this level. This level is a targeted level. A targeted level that is 25,220. It's a targeted level. So if you are buying it from here, buying it for your stop loss maybe here and then target this very point, you will get it. It may take like 2 weeks before you get there because this stock sometimes, this index move very slow and very sure. And I love the trade. I love to trade it because it moves very slow and very sure. I don't trade this one. I don't think anybody trade this pair again. So why will I be wasting my time with this pair? Wow, wow, wow. This is I don't even pay attention to this analysis. And the team played out. Uh, I missed out on this. I missed out. Very big time. Let me see what happened there before I continue. I miss out. I don't even pay attention to it. The pairs I'm trading, I think I haven't too much pairs these days. You can see the buy setup, you can see we analyze it, and it came to that very point, and wow, that's almost how many pimps was close to stop loss. This place, that was almost 1:3. A sure 1:3. I miss out. I see the other block and I mark it and set it up. But I didn't remember to play it. You can see the alternative. You can see the alternative here. You can see the alternative. Let me highlight it more. It's alternative. So, but it has spread out already. So forget it again. It's no more. The other one don't go. I didn't pay attention to it. So I miss out from this trade. I only get this one. I get this one. I think I have to lessen my mind on the pairs that I trade. So that's why I didn't pay attention. Good, 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 good. Let's go down to 4 hour time frame and go so that you can discover what is happening. Okay, this is our setup. Setup on good. Our VIP setup on good. So this is our VIP setup. So if you are logged to watch this video, you have seen our setup already. That is your own lucky. So we are buying good from here, and we're expecting it to come to this place. If when you look at it, you can see A, B, C. You see that, and another A, B, C, which is where I targeted it to come, and this is the final place I want it to go. But it may not be the final place. Market may decide to continue to go up, and if that is the case, we'll find an entry. Do you understand, guys? So market can decide that this whole thing can be wave one, this one can be wave two, and then wave three will come and break off this place and scatter all everywhere. So, but we're not greedy. We just want to target this level and take our profit and go. That's our trade. So when I see another this thing, I'll trade it also. That is all for good. Okay, it's a saver. Saver has been disobedient student, disobedient person. Though he did a flat correction, he refused to come deep to this place and end this correction here. So what am I expecting to say? I'm expecting to go up and break this high and continue to go up. So if I must buy it, I'll be targeting this side of my first target, and then stop loss maybe around here, because there is another block which market decided to come and mitigate before going up. That is all for silver. BTC. Okay, Bitcoin has reached a new height and it has started falling back again. I think he has completed the fifth wave. Although I expected it to come to here and complete it before coming down. But looking at it, I think he had decided to end it halfway here. So they're going down. Let's look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 here, then a correction will come. Boom. So that is what you expected in Bitcoin. You expected this in Bitcoin. So get ready for it. Ethereum. Let me leave those ones. I think I don't have much to say. Okay, guys, I think that is all for this analysis. And I think if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. Click the bell icon and give this video a thumb like. And thank you for watching. Bye for now. Remember to join our Telegram channel where you get and where you want to chat with me one-on-one. If you want one-on-one mentorship is available. If you can afford it, it's available for you. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.